Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open a new Google Doc and set the page size to landscape orientation. Use the Page Setup menu to change margins and paper size. Create an outline using heading styles to plan slide flow and hierarchy. Insert images, tables, and drawings inline so each element stays where you place it. Align content using left, center, or right tools and use rulers for precise spacing. Save changes automatically and name the file clearly for easy sharing and organization. Use heading styles and a consistent font to create slide titles and content sections. Adjust line spacing to 1/4 for compact slide-like paragraphs and use 72-point headings for main titles. Group text and images inside single-cell tables or drawings to lock layouts on each page. Apply background color with insert drawing or table cell shading for visual consistency. Keep margins narrow to maximize usable space, and replicate a presentation feel per page. Switch to full screen mode to present your document page by page to an audience. Use File Download as PDF to preserve layout, or choose File Open with Google Slides to convert pages automatically. Check each slide after conversion and adjust spacing, fonts, and images as needed. Add speaker notes in a separate document or use the comments feature as live presentation prompts. Share the file link with viewers or collaborators, and control access with view and comment permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.